Hi friends, as we have discussed in the last video that this video we are going to do the exercise. So exercise time. Let's start with the exercise. So here we have two questions. The question number one is ask the user to input three numbers and print average using a string formatting and use a comma as a separator. The second question is ask the user to enter the name and print the reverse of the name. So just pause the video and try to do it. Try to do it by yourself. I'll be giving the answers in this video only, but try to give it a shot and then check the answers. Hope you have done that. Let's start with the first question. So in the first question, what I will be doing is I will be taking three numbers, which will be number one, and I will be asking the user to enter the number. Enter first number. But if I am asking it like this, then the number will be string type. I want to create it as integer type. So I will be using an int in the front of it. That now whatever number I am putting, it will be as an integer type. The same way I will be taking two other numbers, number 2 and number 3. Here I forgot to use input because I need it as input. Okay, so these three numbers I have taken. Now I want to print the average. What I will be doing is I will be simply writing the print, and for the average is numbers divided by the number of the inputs I have taken. So I have taken 3 inputs, so it will be divided by 3. But how? It will be number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3, and these will get added and they will be divided by 3. Let's execute and see what we'll get. Number 1 I am adding 3, number 2 is 3, number 3 is 3. Enter. So 3 is my average. Fine. So this is the part 1. Now check part 2 of the same program. First of all, I'll comment these out to see the part 2. The part 2 is we have to use the string formation and you have to use a comma separator. For comma separator, we have to take input as in a single line. So I will be giving like 3 numbers, number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, and I want to take an input, so I will be simply writing input, enter 3 values. Okay, so I will be adding 3 values, but how? I need to use a comma separator. Using comma separator. Okay, how to do it? Dot. See, we have got split function over here, and in that we will be putting comma. In Hindi video, I forgot to add the split. So in this video, I am telling you to add the split. Okay. So I'll be printing now. I need to use a formatter, right? So I'll be using F as a formatter. Then want an average of 3 numbers. Okay. So for the formatting, we have to do this. And again, now we have to use the same idea like number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 and divide by 3. So I am putting number 1, but it is a string, right? The way we did it over here, we didn't convert it to the integer, so it will be a string. To convert it in the integer, I'll be using int and in brackets number 1, then plus, I'll be giving spaces for you, int brackets number 2, and then plus int in brackets number 3, and then after adding all these 3, what I will be doing is I will be dividing them by 3. Okay. Now this it is completed, and right. Okay, now let's execute it and see. Enter 3 values using comma separator 3 comma 3 comma 3, enter. The average of three numbers is 3.00. So this is, we got the average in both the ways, like using the comma and a single line and the separate entities. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. The next question is, ask the user to enter the name and print the reverse of it. So in this we will be using the slicing and the stop and start arguments. Okay, so let's start. First of all, I'll take a variable name and I'll be asking the user to put his name or her name. Input, enter your name. Name is being taken care. Now I have to make it a reverse. So a new variable which is reverse. And in this variable, what I will be doing is, I'll be using string formatting, string slicing and subsequencing. Okay, so the string is name, and in that name I want to start it from with -1, means the last variable, then no end. I'm not putting the stop argument, but I'll be putting the split argument as -1. And let's print what we have to print, reverse variable. Okay, let's execute it and see. Now it is asking enter the name. I have entered Gaurav, entered, see, we found the reverse. Now can we do it in a single line using the string formation? Yes, we can do it, and let's try that as well. So to do it in the single line, what I will be doing is print to the formation F and double quotes and reverse of your name is. Okay, so for the string formation I'll be using the string curly braces again, and in that I'll be using name, whatever was written in over here, the same portion I'll put it in the curly braces, like something like this. Let's execute it and let's see what we'll get. I gave my name and see, I received the reverse of it. So that was it for today. So friends, if you like the video and if you understood the video, please like, share and subscribe, and do commenting. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet in the next video. Take care.